The next, work on our treatments, our controls. So this is how we manage either the mitigation, either the impact, so we decrease the impact of the risk if it happens, or the frequency, so we prevent the risk from happening. We have four types of treatment, which is four T's. So the first one is terminate. So we are saying that we are not going to take this risk anymore. The problem is that we are council, we cannot do that. So on a strategic level, on a business level, but on an operational level, we can. So like, for example, we say that this piece of equipment is too dangerous to use, we are going to stop using it. But if you go one level up, we have to do the business. This equipment, yes, we cannot use it, find a replacement, find another equipment. The second one is treat. So we find a way to manage or mitigate or minimize the effect of this risk, like adding more controls. For example, if IT put more cybersecurity, this kind of thing. The third one is transfer. So we say that, okay, the impact is high, but the frequency might be low. So adding a treatment or a control it might be too much. So we transfer the impact to someone else, which is definitely insurance. So insurance, why we insure? Because the impact might be high and putting much money in this area. How many accidents we have? So the insurance will cover that, and they make profit out of it. Last one is tolerate. So no impact, no frequency. Okay, we're going to accept that.